Hello everyone, welcome to Creatively Organized. I'm Srijna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I'm organizing clothes and books together in one shelf. For that, I'll be using racks from my previous video, Kids Wardrobe Organization, and to separate the clothes and the books, I'll be using a DIY organizer which I'll be showing you in the video. Let me show you how I've organized it. So friends, I have these 3 racks here. Now I'm going to arrange this into half of the wardrobe. Now you all can see this half, the second half from the racks is empty. From that part onwards it's going to be books. Let me show it to you. Now I've put my DIY organizer here. Now from this part on, this entire section would be for books, bags and the stationery stuff. To make the organizer, I've taken a box, a few wrapping sheets. I've taken a gift wrapping sheet here. You need tape, marker pen, a cutter, scissors, either of them will do. And I've taken a few of this decorative tapes to put more. It's optional, it's up to you guys. Then we need glue and a ruler. And let me show you how it's done. On this box, I'm going to make the marking. This marking here is up to the height that you need. I'm marking up to here. I'm not going all the way through, I'm just stopping it here. And now this part. The same measurement should go on the back side as well. Now we're going to take the cutter and start cutting from this end. After cutting, this is how the angle will be. I've taken this wrapping sheet and wrapped up the entire box, and then I've stuck it with this glue, and in the border over here I've used some glitter tapes for decoration. It's optional. Now I'm going to place this third rack on this first shelf here. This rack has grooves. This gap here. Now we have the upper level, second level and the third level to store the clothes. Now let me show you how I'm going to organize all the clothes on this small space. On the first rack here are the t-shirts. I've rolled all them up to get maximum number of t-shirts onto the top shelf. On the second one are the formal shirts, and these are his sleeveless t-shirts, sports t-shirts. Innerwear are arranged here. The towel is kept here. This here is his jacket, hooded jacket. Here are his track pants, and these are the Bermudas rolled up again. And on this side shelf I've kept his kurtas and cap. Below, lower shelf, are his denims, and on this side I've arranged the sock organizer. You can find the details in the description box. There's a video on this, I'll leave the link below. And handkerchiefs and belts are organized in this. Let's go to the book section. Guys, this is the book section. I've used this organizer here. All the books are arranged here. Few more of the study required material. The pen stand, pen staplers, all the stationery is arranged here. Beside is a tab. Here is a paper organizer with multiple pockets. This side is the back, and here is the charger. And I've left some space here to put some knickknacks like watches or wallets or anything as such. So friends, this is how I've organized clothes and the book rack in the same shelf. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you all for watching.